Short stay, superb cleanliness. Self-contained apartment, more than a room. Incredible value for money. All good but no elevator. I enjoyed my stay and found the staff pleasant and helpful. Perfect location near West Lake. Only downside is having to use the stairs. Clean, comfy, roomy. This is on a quiet street. It's a great Tahoe location. Plenty good bars and restaurants around. The studio at the back, one floor up, is excellent, spacious, clean and quiet. Very good hotel by the cost. This hotel is totally reasonable cost versus quality. Staffs are very helpful and they speak reasonable English. I'll choose this hotel next visit to Hanoi again. A valuable place for small family like your home. Great staying in Himalaya. I have stayed 3 nights 4 days long at Himalaya Hotel. It was the greatest staying, though I don't like the smell of fabric softener because I am very sensitive in smelling. There are wide room and clean enough for traveler. And especially a manager of this hotel is very kind and warm. Her name is Nga, gave me ritual that I can't fidget long time. They will help you everything to stay and take trip for you. I recommend this hotel for you strongly. You must be very happy and comfortable if you stay at this hotel.